Hello, Year 3, and welcome to my first home assembly. I wanted to at first say well done for your first 2 weeks of term. I've been so impressed with how quickly you got used to working from home, using Edmodo to view the videos, adding comments, downloading work, and asking your teachers very sensible questions. As well as that, I've spoken to lots of children via Google Meet who want to come on, check work, check questions, and again, ask any questions that they might have. So I've been so impressed with how quickly we've got used to working in this new way. It's also been lovely to see so many things that you've been doing at home over the last few weeks. I've seen Marcus's wonderful greenhouse and the jumps he's made in his garden. I've seen the work Johan did at home and his new tricks on his trampoline. I've seen Zachariah mowing the lawn at his house. So if you ever do anything at home, any new activities, and you'd like to share anything with me or any of your other teachers, please do send them across, because it's lovely seeing not just your schoolwork, but all the other things that you've been doing at home during your time off. Today, I actually wanted to talk to you about taking pride in your work. And I'm actually going to make 2 sandcastles. I'm just going to move you down just a tiny bit. Whilst I make these 2 sandcastles, see if you can look closely to see the differences between my 2 sandcastles and how I make them. The first sandcastle I made was quite rushed. I put the sand in really, really quickly. I didn't push it down. I didn't even it out on the top, and I just turned it over. Whereas the second sandcastle I made, I took my time. I put the sand in carefully. I pushed it down to press into all of the gaps. I carefully added more sand. I evened it out on the top. I gently put the sandcastle down, tapped it on the top, and very carefully lifted the bucket off. So I've actually completed exactly the same activity here, but got very different results. So I really want you to think about that when you're doing your own work from home. Think about putting in that best effort all of the time, using your best handwriting, drawing pictures neatly, using colour, drawing lines with a ruler. Check your writing makes sense. Check you've used that punctuation. And every so often, going that extra mile. Thank you for watching Year 3. Have a lovely weekend and I'll see you next week.